Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to secant of t. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change for this one. So secant of t square minus 1 we change for tan t square. The square root of this one we change for tan t. So tan t divided by tan t. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. So about t, that is about this one. So we can find the value of t equals to secant of s. And I will put this one to change for t. So secant with secant, we have s. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.